Hi, I'm Marsha Ramsland, your organizing pro, and I have my photo expert here hosting Mary Kay Nielsen. And I'm excited, Mary Kay, for the question of the day. What is the photo question of the day?
The photo question of the day, Marcia, someone wrote in and shared that they have thousands of photos on their phone. How do they begin to sort? And it was multiple thousands of photos.
Did you get
How
that
do they
question
sort?
from me? I don't know. But I have seen so many people with thousands. We all have that problem. How do you sort? I'm going to give you two suggestions how to handle it. The first one is called the eye doctor sort. And this is what you do when you either the waiter takes multiple pictures, or you're out with friends and you're like, okay, take this and I'm going to do it again, and it almost looks like a video. You have multiple pictures. So what you do is you take look at the photos and compare two, and like the eye doctor, you say, is one better or is two? And that way you delete one right on the spot, and then you go to the next one, which looks just like the first one. You look at everybody's faces, maybe enlarge them. Is one better or is two? And then you delete that and you go through with the eye doctor sort. Now, the second tip is at the end of the day, when you've taken photos on a day, just spend 5 minutes. We call it 5 minute a day photo sorting. And you go through and do that eye doctor sort, and you're going to be smiling when you go to sleep. It's a fun thing to do. And that way you can go through it. Mary Kay, just today I went through the selfies and I thought, what is this category that's on my computer? And I went through the selfies, and you know what? Everybody is smiling. And in 2 seconds, I was smiling, smiling, smiling. And I was going through old ones. I'm like, I don't remember who I was standing next to. So I deleted it. So that's another thing to do in the 5 minute assort day. And one fact for you, did you know if people take 3 photos a day or 20 a week in a year, that is 1,000 photos. So that's why we have thousands of photos. We probably do 20 at an event, maybe 10, and maybe another event 10 in a week. And that way you have to go through your photos. So, Mary Kay, we are going to do that in the photo organizing class. And will you help us get them from our phone onto the computer and onto the cloud so we can actually do the sort instead of squinting at our phone?
Yes, Marcia, it'd be my pleasure to make that easy for everybody.
Okay, we are going to have the annual August photo organizing class. You can tell with Mary Kay, we have a new expert and it's going to be so much fun. And she even agreed to do a one-on-one if you have a problem or a fear of changing your photos. Okay, so go over to organizingpro.com. Be sure to sign up, and we will see you for photo organizing. Look at your photos. How many do you have on your phone? Yep, that's the reason you need to be in class. Okay, see you in photo organizing at Organizing Pro in August.